Today we are going to teach you how to jump your vehicle using jumper cables. Get a decent pair of jumper cables. If you get cheap jumper cables, it's going to be hard to jump your car because these wires are too thin to let the electricity get through. So buy a decent pair of jumper cables.
Nice.
Anyway, so you're going to come up to your vehicle. Red's going to obviously go to red, the black's going to go to black. Before you connect these, make sure the opposite end is not touching each other, otherwise they're going to spark. We don't want that. So let's come on over here, put our ground to our ground, go to your positive to your positive. Some cars, there'll be a post on the side. This will be covered. If it's covered, you'll have to take your box off with maybe a wrench or something. The ones that are covered, I just keep the tops off because you never know when you might have a dead battery and then you can't get the top off to even get your battery. So simple assignment. Put them up. We're gonna come over here, get these two.